Hello, friends. Every instruction I'm about to give you has been verified by the mechanics at the shop I'm at. So take a deep breath. This can be fixed. If your Ford suddenly throws that key Immobiliser Active message and you think, what the heck now? Relax, you're not alone. Basically, the car is telling you it doesn't recognize your key, which is why it won't start. This system is called PATS, the factory-installed anti-theft system. And while it sounds complicated, most of the time the problem has an easy fix. The first thing many mechanics have noticed in the forums is that sometimes the drama is in the key fob battery. Even though the key chip doesn't depend on the battery, if your fob has low power, some models get nervous and fail to sync properly. Changing the battery can be like giving your key a cup of coffee. It wakes up and suddenly the car recognizes it without a problem. If that doesn't work, there's a trick several mechanics recommend. Leave the key in the on position without starting the car for about 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah, it sounds boring, but the system needs time to recognize the chip and say, yes, this is the right key. While you wait, take a deep breath, grab a coffee, and think of your Ford as needing a little meditation time too. Another option that has saved many is disconnecting the battery for a little while. Doing this resets the electronics a bit, and when you reconnect it, your car might decide to cooperate and let you start it. It's like giving the electronics a breather so it can sync up again. Now, if your car keeps acting up, what you need is a deeper reprogramming. This is where tools like ForeScan come in, which allow you to reconfigure the PAT system and teach it again who's in charge. Some mechanics have mentioned that just reprogramming the fob wasn't enough. The key chip itself also needed a refresh. So if your Ford keeps refusing to recognize you, this is the route for those willing to dive a bit deeper into tech. And it's not all software. Sometimes the problem is hardware. Checking that the battery connections are clean and tight, or that the reader ring around the key isn't corroded, has saved more than one frustrated start. Because yes, sometimes your key is perfect, but the car just can't read it properly.